In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're creating a presentation or enhancing your documents, adding images can make your PDFs more visually appealing and effective. So let's dive into the steps to do just that. First, you'll want to start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. This is the essential tool we'll be using, as it offers a wide variety of features, including the ability to edit PDFs. Once Acrobat Pro is open and ready, the next thing you need to do is open the specific PDF file where you plan to insert your image. You can do this simply by going to File in the upper left corner and selecting Open. Navigate to your desired PDF file and open it. With the PDF open, we'll move on to the editing features. Navigate to the Tools tab located at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a selection of options, and from this, you will choose the Edit PDF option. This tool is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to modify the content of your PDF, allowing us to seamlessly integrate an image into the document. Once you are in the Edit PDF mode, direct your attention to the toolbar along the top. Look for the option that says Add Image. Clicking on this option will prompt a File Explorer window to appear. This is where you can browse through your computer's files to locate the image you want to insert. It's a good idea to have your desired image file readily accessible so you can quickly navigate to its location from here. After you've chosen your image, you'll select it by clicking Open. The selected image will be ready to be placed within your PDF. Now move your cursor to the area on the PDF page where you'd like the image to appear. Simply click on the page to drop the image into place. At this point, the image might be quite large or small, but don't worry, you can adjust its size. Click and drag the corners of the image to resize it to your liking. You can also click on the image and drag it to position it exactly where you need. And there you have it. The image is now part of your PDF file. With just a few easy steps, you've learned how to enhance your PDF documents by adding imagery, making your projects more dynamic and engaging. Practice this skill to become more comfortable with Adobe Acrobat's capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other educational content. Thank you for watching, and I hope your next PDF project is a success.